What is going on, strugglers? As you can see today, well, I'm journaling Wednesday's trade and it isn't going well. So I don't know what's happening, man. I'm just in a bad headspace. I'm not even respecting rules anymore. I'm just doing whatever the fuck I want. It's pretty bad. I'm down 3% on the account right now. But I'm still gonna journal the trades, right? Fuck it. This honestly, this is really bad, but yeah. So I took two losses on Wednesday, and initially, right, on the daily time frame on the S&P, I mentioned in my previous video that I was looking at a retracement, maybe into this fair value gap on the daily, right? And as you can see right here, we formed today an SMT with the Nasdaq confirming this swing point right here to go lower, right, and have a retracement. And yeah, so on the 4 hour, right, as you can see, right here, I think it was the 10 a.m. high, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, it was this one right here. Sorry. Yep, there you go. We had this SMT right here with the previous day, right? And right before market open, right, we had a two-stage SMT, right? So as you can see, this as well was an SMT with the S&P, which was absolutely beautiful, right, to just go lower. And this happened right at market open right here. This one right here. So as you can see, this wick at market open created that SMT, and the S&P 500 just filled this 30-minute gap. So this was absolutely perfect to go lower from. So on the 5-minute, right here on this change in state right here, I could have entered, but I was sleeping. I was fucking sleeping because I slept at 3 a.m. the previous day and my fucking lazy ass just wasn't awake. Sorry, right here. And yeah, I could have banged this beautiful trade right here to target the daily gap, but I just wasn't in front of the charts, so this right here just didn't matter. And yeah, because I woke up late, got frustrated that I didn't get to take that setup. Honestly, if you're watching, you're probably thinking, what the fuck is this guy doing? Honestly, like, he keeps fucking sleeping. He's just a lazy ass fucker. I don't know, man. I'm just. Things are not going well this week. Really not going well. So at this point, I'm coming in the PM session and I don't trade in a PM session. Honestly, I genuinely do not trade a PM session. And yeah, I'm looking at the S&P 500 and we were forming this 4 hour gap right here, and we had this SMT with all these lows right here with the S&P with the Nasdaq, sorry. So I'm thinking maybe this is a candle 2 closure to go higher into this fair value gap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So on Nasdaq, I decided to enter off. I don't know why it's lagging. I entered right here. I think there was even a second SMT. Now I'm lost. I don't even know where I'm at. Just a second. Right here. So this candle right here, we had all these SMTs, right, with the lows, and the fuck? No, I'm sorry. Let me just let price action go right there. So on the 5 minute in the PM session, looking for the S&P to target that gap right here, right? With this price action, with this SMT on the low, right here. So I initially entered right here on this 5 minute inversion, right? I remember I entered pretty late right here with my stop loss below the gap to target A122. I got stopped out. At this point, I should have closed the trade, but I saw that we had another nice reaction. So what did I do? I entered off of this change in the state. Yup, right here. I remember with my stop loss on this low that filled that gap, targeting what, A122. And you know what happens? We ended up going into profits, and right here, price retraced. What happened? I got stopped out right here. I don't know why. I think I got filled right here or something. Not even sure. I don't know how. Like, I just got stopped out right here, and I was like, fuck my life, okay. And then we started to react off of this SMT right here. And then I was like, oh fuck, now I think we're going higher. And I remember I wasn't looking at the charts because I was doing something. Then I come back and I see that after price stopped me out at break even, we're just pumping higher. And right here, I remember I just saw, like, I came back to the charts, price stopped me out and just reacted off of this SMT. And it was a little bit too late to enter on Nasdaq, so I decided to just enter on the S&P right here, with this SMT, with this change in the state, and I got wrecked. Yeah, I got wrecked. So I was down 2%. Honestly, like, talking right now, I'm thinking to my head, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Like, this setup is so forced. It's insane. Like, I don't know, man. I'm just talking. I'm like, what the fuck was I doing? Like, it did not make sense for price right here. I don't know if it's gonna show me the wick, hopefully. But at this point right here, right, on the daily time frame, like, look how far we went down. And I'm expecting price to just make a big ass wick right here. It's just not probable. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just forcing everything. I'm just forcing myself into taking trades. I don't even know why. I'm just still not in a good place mentally, and maybe I need to just fucking take a small break after trading this fucking phase for 2 months now. Like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. It's pretty sad. But it is what it is. I'm down 3%. I'm just gonna learn from this mistake. Like, this day I was just over trading for no reason. This day I'm just looking at the charts when I'm not supposed to look at the charts. Um, that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.